Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to install Radzen Blazor for Visual Studio. So this is the page for Radzen Blazor for Visual Studio on the Radzen website. So on that page, click on download now. After that, click on download from marketplace. After that, click on download button. So the Radzen Visual Studio extension installer is now being downloaded. Download is complete. Click on open file. I'm going to pause the video for now. So now I'm greeted with this dialog. I'm going to click on install. So see the message installing Radzen Blazor for Visual Studio. I'm going to pause the video again. So now the extension has been successfully installed, so I'm going to click close. So now I'm going to start Visual Studio 2022. I'm going to pause the video a little while. So now let me create a new project. I'll click on create a new project. So now project templates are being displayed. So let me, okay. So you can see Radzen Blazor application. Has been installed. So let me click on next. Okay. Yeah. So Radzen Blazor app 1. Okay. So let's say create. Now you can see the templates loading. So I want .NET 9 for now. Let me say I want a server project, Blazor server project. So let me click next. Let me pause the video a bit again. So as you can see, the app has been created. There is a pages folder. Let me double click on index.razor. So build succeeded. Thank you for watching.